Welcome to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to buy Tether coins on Paxful. It is a very simple step. Now make sure you already have the application on your device and you are logged into your Paxful account. Before entering to your Paxful account, you have to enter your PIN. Now at this home page of Paxful, at the bottom you can see the option Marketplace. Tap over there. Here you can see different list according to the selected cryptocurrency. Now at the top you can see the option BTC just beside buy option. Tap over there. You can see cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC and Tether. You have to tap on Tether. Firstly, make sure to verify your ID. After that, choose one of the offers that has been listed on the screen. Now, enter the amount of currency you are willing to spend to buy Tether in the first text box you see. Once you type your amount, you will be able to see a label that says you will get following amount of COP worth of currency you chose. And the amount to receive will be displayed on the next field where it says receive. After you are done, tap on the Buy Now button and you will be able to buy Tether on Paxful. But once again, remember that to buy any type of cryptocurrency, you need to verify your identity with Paxful. And this is how you buy Tether coins on Paxful. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.